I don't think I can describe GPP in one word. See, GPP home is not a typical wall home. It is a glass house. So when you are sitting even inside, you are actually in the nature. So it was never about money or calculations or anything. It is like love at first sight. So it is very soothing. It is very relaxing. So I can see myself living here. And last time when my son visited, he was so impressed. He was so happy that this is one of the best decisions we made. I am a director of my husband's company. I'm a classical dancer, trained classical dancer. And I help my husband a little bit in his work also. It was very peaceful. It was very welcoming. Everything was always all in very good harmony. It was like it was made to be. See, GPP home is not a typical wall home. It is a glass house. So when you are sitting even inside, you are actually in the nature. So the trees are, dancing around, the butterflies are flying and the birds are chirping. So you are not actually inside the home even if you are in the home. Because through glass you can see the whole view, the back view, the front view, the side view, everything is so it is a very good plan. It is a wonderful thing to have as a home, the whole glass house. Even if you are inside, you are outside. It wasn't transactional. It was never about money. It was it is sustainable. It is well managed. I'll see all those things rather than money because all properties are there, but sometimes what happens in a long period of time, they are not well managed or not very sustainable. But I don't think I see that here. Everything is so well planned, so well organized, and it is wonderful. So it was never about money or calculations or anything. It is like love at first sight. I think last year I came with my sister, and it was me who came first. Then I fell first, and it was like, no, we have seen so many properties, but this is something we have not seen. We have not came up with. Maybe it was at that time it was new, but it was so wonderful. I had to bring my husband here, and then we ended up buying a plot here, and we ended up coming here, and it was a wonderful decision. It was a perfect decision. The thing is, there is no need to change anything. It is the way it is, and it should be the way it is. There is no need to change anything. I don't think I will change anything here. It is so good and so well planned and so well organized. So I don't think I want to change anything here. See, most properties when we see around, they are all very good, they're very nice, but they're not lived in. I see myself, I can live here, I can be very close to nature, and it is very soothing, away from all those hustle bustles. So it is very soothing, it is very relaxing. So I can see myself living here. I'm an avid reader. I love reading. I can read for hours. And here I can read in the library, I can read outside, I can read on the bench near the lake. It is so wonderful, and I will not get disturbed for hours and hours. So it is like I am close to nature. Actually, I am in the nature and I read. I do what I love the best. And it is wonderful. It supports my ideology of living and reading. It has a wonderful indoor swimming pool. I can go and swim there. I can walk here. I have a very active lifestyle and I like cycling, so they have everything here, very, very nice and wonderful background. Everywhere you see there is nature and it is beautiful. First of all, it is very peaceful. Little bit away from the city, so the temperature is naturally little bit more cooler. It is everything, the whole the landscaping. It is not actually landscaping, but it is all part of the nature. the way everything has put together and everything is so balanced, well managed, sustainable, which we can also, if we are living here, we can also maintain it well. So, yes, definitely. See, they have a very active lifestyle there. They are young kids, so they have a job, they have these and that, and a lot of other things. So when they come here to meet their parents, to relax, to chill with friends. So, and this is away from the city's hustle bustle. So they definitely would love to come here and stay here. And last time when my son visited, he was so impressed. He was so happy that this is one of the best decisions we made, that we bought a property here. So it was wonderful. He was very happy and he wanted to come and stay here once all this construction and everything is done. Again, the nature. They are also nature lover. One of my son is a hiker. He is a big hiker. So he loves to walk around because there are so many things. You can go to the butterfly garden and see different type of small butterflies. Then on the lakeside you can see small different birds migrating from other countries and other places of the world. So those are the things they love. They are also very nature lover kids. So that was the best part. They liked it so much, and they used to just sit. My younger one, when he came, he just used to sit on the lakeside and he'll just sip some water or sip something, but he can sit here for a longest time. They have a very active lifestyle there. So whenever they are coming here, they want to stay with parents, they want to stay with the family and meet everyone and relax at home. So this is the place which will help them relax, which will help them rejuvenate. His nature of work is, he has to think a lot. He has to, he has to wake up very early to be in that quiet moment to work his work. So whenever he is here, he doesn't have to think those lines. He gets very relaxed and very peaceful. And it is very positivity. There is a lot of positivity here, if you ask me. So that is what it attracted him the most, that it is very quiet, peaceful, away from the city but not too far from the city. So he is a nature lover person. He loves going out into the nature. He loves bicycling. Whenever he is here, he will bicycle for an hour or so, then he'll sit in the library without getting disturbed. He is also a big reader. So he loves to read books. He loves to cycling, swimming, and be in nature. He loves to go on strolls in the butterfly garden. So that was his thing. He loves to be around nature. He wants to be in the nature, but doing some or the other thing, but related to that. So this was also his first love. Actually, whenever we are coming here, we are always looking forward to come here. We want to spend as much time as possible here. In the evenings, when we walk on the lake or when we are walking on the stroll, there is no one to, there to disturb you. You are in your own peace. You are, even in fact, I would love to grow here spiritually also, because this is very close to nature. So I would love to see myself growing spiritually also. GPP1 is very well thought, very welcoming. My kids, I would say they would love to be here. It's very, I cannot describe GPP1 in one word. It is my first love, I'll say, for all this nature, and it is very well balanced, very harmonious with nature and with all the other amenities. It is very harmonious, and it is very comforting, very peaceful.